guys, so I've been going and doing a lot of ice fishing, and I've been burning a lot of propane for my Mr. Heater Big Buddy, which take 2 of these. And each time I go for a typical day like today, when it's very cold in the single digits or negative, I use about 4 of these a day. So it costs a lot of money, about 16 if you can find it, but right now it's typically about $17 for 4 of those. With taxes, we're talking about maybe 18 bucks for a 4-pack. But you can do it cheaper. You can refill it using your 20-pound tank that you had at home for your grills. Just put the adapters in, flip the tank upside down like this so that all the propane comes down onto the bottom, and then fill it. But if you're ever going to refill a propane tank, please always, always, always do it outside, never inside. If you're gonna do it in your garage, that's fine. Just make sure you open the door so that the gas that come out can escape. All right. So with that being said, let's get on to business. So we're gonna start the first one, and basically just screw this in. Once you get it tight, make sure to make it a little tighter, like holding in both. Like that. And then you want to tip this so you can turn the gas on. Once you turn the gas, you open the gas and it's coming into the little tank, you'll hear a hissing sound. That's telling you that there's gas coming into the tank. Give it a good 2 to 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Usually about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll turn it off and I'll take the gas out and I wait to see how heavy it is. Alright, and I can feel definitely there is some propane inside now. So we're going to put it here. And almost there. Almost. I get about maybe 2 or 3 ounces. So that means that there's enough air pressure inside where it's not willing to put more gas inside. So I'm going to take my Allen wrench and I'm going to release some of those air that's inside so that it has more room for the propane. And just take your Allen wrench, put on the top, just like so. Just like that, about 5 or 6 times. And then put it back in the propane. And turn the gas back on. With just that little bit amount for me to put it in there, probably about 30 seconds to a minute, and then I'll turn it off and put it back on the scale, and that should be it. As you're taking it off right now, you can see some gas coming out. Even though you turn it off, that's why you want to make sure you do it outside. Yeah, definitely feels like a 16-ounce pounder it. There you go, on the spot. So, one down, ready to go. And same thing, keep doing it. Like so, and wait. Alright, and that's about it. That's all four. Takes me about 10 minutes to do all four. It's about 2 minutes each, and then between weighing and trying to gear out. It's probably going to take about 10 minutes, plus or minus, maybe 15 minutes the most. But it's not bad. Now I can put it back in the Mr. Heater Big Buddy and get ready to go back to the ice and warm up, catching fish. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my TxivTsev channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. So thank you.